Nothing is made of stone. Equipment, tools, devices. Are they meant to last forever? Of course they don't. Look at this body. He's close to having a nervous breakdown.
This piece of junk.
We start calling foreman, manager, whoever else. We may waste hours on dealing with such nasty issues. Stop! There is a way better solution.
Damn it, my tool has crashed. But we have intelligent enterprise. Hey Google, talk to digital assistant.
Okay, getting the test version of Digital Assistant. I am Joy, what can I do for you?
I have a malfunction here, need to report it.
Can I have the details of the malfunction, please?
Yeah, my router is broken. I cannot continue.
I've registered your malfunction report under number 140593.
Okay.
This malfunction report gets processed in no time, which means no loss of productivity.
It's brand new!
Fancy that?